Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Outlaw Seahorse. So in this newest visit update, you can get the free desert cactus rod skin. But to unlock it, you need to catch the painted octopus and Outlaw Seahorse. And to catch this Outlaw Seahorse, you can just catch it or fish it at this island, Copper Canyon Island. The new island in Fish It. And then this fish is a legendary fish. So maybe I recommend using your best rod and best bait to increase your chances. And maybe at least you can use your Goslin rod, and you can also use luck totems and maybe luck potions to increase your chance and speed up the process of getting this fish. And and this is what the Outlaw Seahorse looks like. It will look like this. It will look like this. Like this, you can see it. I think it's so cool with the cool designs, and I think it's also cute at the same time like this Outlaw Seahorse. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!